smiling in my face. You trying to trace everything that I'm getting. If you want a flash, just get the dope, man. It could be up in your sock or in your pants. When I'm cracker roll up on you and me, is you gon' run us stand there? You know me, nigga. I took him on a chase down there. University, Eric, I was scared. I was fucking nervous, man. So I put my feet to the metal, man. I ain't think to look back at his car, and I said I ran through the red light. I didn't give a fuck, total that G6, man. I ran in the ditch, but the crackers ain't get with me. I got a fucking way. Only thing we lost was a G6 car, man. You can always get stuff back like that. Eric, but come here for real though, man. Them niggas do be fake though, for real. Yeah. Hey,